Artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't just a high-tech feature meant for Silicon Valley giants. It's a versatile tool that's reshaping businesses everywhere, big and small. Understanding and harnessing this technology can give your business a genuine edge. The beauty of AI lies in its ability to mimic human decision-making, evolving and learning from experience without requiring explicit instructions. It's not about replacing your workforce with robots, rather it's about making processes more efficient and allowing your team to focus on creative, strategic work. Many small and medium-sized businesses, SMEs, might shy away from AI, thinking it's expensive or too complex. But that's changing fast. AI solutions are becoming more accessible and affordable, making them a practical choice for businesses of all sizes. By automating routine tasks and improving decision-making with predictive analytics, AI can revolutionize how you engage with customers, even tailoring marketing efforts to boost sales and customer satisfaction. Consider AI as more than a cost-saving tool. It's a catalyst for innovation. By automating repetitive tasks, you allow your team more time for creative and strategic projects that drive business growth. This positions SMEs not just to keep up with larger competitors, but to leverage their agility for unique market advantages. To truly benefit from AI, understanding its fundamentals is essential. AI revolves around concepts like machine learning and natural language processing. Machine learning empowers systems to learn and improve from data. Think of it as teaching a computer how to anticipate trends or customer needs. For example, an AI system can become more accurate over time as it processes more data, learning to make better predictions or recommendations. Natural language processing, or NLP, is what allows a machine to understand and interact with human language. This is what powers chatbots to process and respond to customer queries, or voice assistants to comprehend and act on spoken commands. It's all about enhancing communication and service, making customer interactions smoother and more personalized. For businesses, these insights about AI can translate into real-world applications. Imagine automating your administrative tasks, optimizing logistics, or deploying a chatbot that handles customer services, freeing up your staff to do more strategic work. AI can truly transform these functions, boosting efficiency and enhancing the overall business model. Looking at how AI can be applied provides even more clarity. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots can respond to clients instantly, offering a better experience while saving manpower. In marketing, AI can personalize campaigns based on consumer data, increasing conversion rates and optimizing pricing strategies. Even in operations and supply chain management, AI can predict demand and manage inventory efficiently, ensuring timely delivery and minimizing waste. In essence, AI applications are diverse and adaptable. They present an invaluable opportunity for SMEs to enhance operations, improve customer satisfaction, and drive growth. Whether it's customer service, marketing, operations, human resources, or financial management, AI offers tailored solutions to meet specific business needs without needing a massive overhaul. However, while AI offers exciting benefits, it's crucial to approach its implementation thoughtfully. Financial considerations are one thing to think about, given the initial investment costs and potential need to upgrade infrastructure. But there are other challenges too, such as data privacy concerns and ensuring your team is adequately trained to work with new tools. It's about choosing scalable AI solutions that match your long-term goals and starting on a small scale with pilot projects. This phased approach allows you to manage risks and demonstrates the tangible value AI can bring.